Shut up and sit down.
I've got some more car-related news. Renault, Mitsubishi, Volvo, and a Chinese company called Geely, and a Saudi Arabian oil company called Aramco have all got together to put money into an engine manufacturing plant in the United Kingdom. Not building bits for electric cars, but building the latest generation low emission petrol and diesel engines for cars of the future. I can't get my head around the fact that somebody's investing heavily into a factory to build petrol and diesel engines when in 2030 in Great Britain and the European Union, car manufacturers won't be allowed to build petrol and diesel cars and hybrid cars. They've got to go electric. I just can't get my head around why they're building this factory, or what do the car manufacturers know that we don't know? Is all this legislation pushing us towards electric crumbling around the government's ankles? It just seems strange that a couple of really big manufacturers are still investing in petrol and diesel technology. I can't figure out what's going on, or what's going on in the background that they're not telling us, because I know the electric car market is falling apart. They're not selling the amount of cars they wanted to sell. The cars are drastically losing lots and lots of money, the electric cars. Phenomenal amounts of money. Some of them are losing 50% of their value in 12 months. And then people can't buy themselves out the leases. As I found out having a chat with a electric car owner today, who'd only had his car for 12 months, can't buy himself out the lease because the car's lost so much value. He'd have to put 10 grand just to get rid of up front, just to get rid of his car, and he'd never buy another one, he tells me. That story's in another video, but it's just weird what's going on. Oh, what a brilliant place to park, mate. Oh, you're going to the pub, are you? Crazy people. Anyhow, that's a bit more car news. A new manufacturing plant for petrol and diesel cars, engines in the United Kingdom. So they're not dead. Petrol and diesel is not dead. There's something going on in the background that we don't know about yet. Thanks for watching. Another North Wales side-by-side video. Thumbs up if you've enjoyed. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Get an electric bike, mate.